What's going on, everyone? Win with Ryan here, and we're going to start this video off with a quick giveaway. We're giving away $100, and all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment below. Every single comment gives you an entry to win, and then go over to winwithryan.com to make sure that you are subscribed to my Make Money newsletter. That's where we announce the winner every single month. So with that being said, keep winning. Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to Win with Ryan, where we search the crypto headlines, surf the crypto markets, and we surf the world. In this video, huge news, it is happening. XRP is winning, literally. Hashtag relist XRP is finally getting some traction. So in this video, we're gonna find out who the first exchange to relist XRP was. We're going to go over the reason that they decided to relist XRP. We're then going to jump over to TradingView and check out the live charts. We're going to go over the daily and the 4-hour live charts for XRP. And then after that, we're going to look at the Vortex Score for XRP and see what is looking like for the future, the ecosystem of XRP. So stick with me till the end. Here we go. XRP is back on the Femex crypto exchange. Yes, that's right. Femex has reconsidered its position regarding the XRP controversy and has decided to lift the ban. Due to high demand by crypto trading enthusiasts, XRP is back. So Femex has also listed 8 new coins that prove to have incredible potential. All of them will be available for spot trading against USDT and as linear contracts with up to 20x leverage. Why was XRP suspended? Ripple was in a pretty tight spot in the last couple of months due to the lawsuit filed by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The SEC accused Ripple of selling XRP as an unregistered security, despite XRP being a bridge currency. It was believed that Ripple sold its currency to family members at a lower price, with the purpose of reselling them at the market value in order to generate profit. Until information surrounding the case become more clear, crypto exchanges decided to suspend it. But XRP holders didn't like it. XRP, the army, baby, especially big companies. So they started to defend Ripple against the SEC accusations. Among them was lawyer John Deaton, who promised to fight for 1,000 XRP holders. Therefore, due to popular demand for XRP, Femex has decided to bring it back for spot and contract trading. So there's more coins that are going to be listed on Femex, but this is not what this video is about, but you can go check that out. Let's go jump into the analysis for XRP. XRP USDT. The bulls failed to sustain XRP above the downtrend line for the past few days, indicating strong resistance by the bears. And that may have resulted in a short-term traders dumping their positions, pulling the price down to the 50-day SMA. As you can see here, we have the downtrend line, and it was continuously bumping off that line for several days in a row. It took a massive dip yesterday, and then today's candlestick went all the way to the 50 SMA at $1.20, and now it's trying to make its correction off of that. The RSI is sitting down here at 46, and that is really low. So that's not looking positive. You got the 20 turning down, the 20 moving average turning down, the 50, it did just collide. So this is a decision point for the traders out there. So the bulls versus the bears. Are the bulls going to take it into their own hands and buy it back up above the current resistance line, or is it going to come all the way back down to the support level down here? If the price rebounds off of the 50-day SMA, the bulls will again try to push the XRP USD pair above the downtrend line and the overhead resistance at $1.66. And if they manage to do that, the pair could retest the 52-week high at $1.96. However, the 20-day EMA at $1.41 has started to turn down, and the RSI is trading in the negative zone, suggesting a minor advantage to the bears. If the sellers can sink this and sustain the price below the 50-day SMA, the pair may decline all the way to $1 and then to 88 cents. All right, let's go look at the live charts. All right, so I wanted to go ahead and do a longer term outlook on this particular coin this time. So if you look on the monthly, this is on the monthly. So this was all the way back December 1st of 2017. This one is January. February, and so on. So we had that max out. This one came all the way up to 243. And then the next month it made its continuation run before the bear stepped in. And that got us all the way up to the all-time high, which reached right at $3.30, $3.31, right? And then it had that massive sell-off, came all the way down, and then it was just chilling down here for quite some time. Went into the bear market, not doing anything, started rebounding. And obviously we had some major news over the last couple of months for us. You know, it was pumping really nice. And then we had the negative news, SEC became jerks, 2020. And ever since then, we've been really, really battling back. So right now, this month, there's 18 days left in the month. It is currently going down still. It has been all the way down as low as $1.21, but it is starting to make its move back up, which is nice. So we have 18 days left in this candle. We want to see it continue up and move past. What we need it to do really is break past this $1.97, that $2 psychological barrier. And if it breaks through there, we can have that next massive up move in the leg. But let's go take a look at the dailies now. All right, so as we can see here on the daily chart, we have had a nice move up just recently. It hit its recent high April 14th, and then it came back down on this correction down to April 25th, started to make its move back up, didn't make it. It's kind of dying out. Came down and tapped off of this little zone we've been talking about, this price sensitivity zone. Let's go ahead and continue this out actually. So just recently it did dip below that price sensitivity zone, closed even, but now it's working its way back in there. We are hoping that this is not turning into a resistance again, because that would not be good for us. We want to see this actually break through this resistance zone. Again, that would be putting us in the $1.42, $1.43 range to get us out of that area. And then we want to see it on its continued trajectory up. Right now, XRP has a 50, we'll say 50, it's right there in the middle for the RSI, the Relative Strength Index on the daily. If we check that 4-hour chart just recently, so on May 12th, it went down and hit its lowest point on the 4-hour for quite some time. And that's usually a great sign for us to see a reversal, right? So we want to see a move up from there. So with it coming all the way down to the 30, that usually signals that it's going to run back up. So as you can see right now, the strength index is going up, but the price is not really moving. So that is also a positive sign when you do as far as pricing goes, because if we go down here and we take a look at this going up like so, and we take this, that one has a little bit of a downslope, right? So if the price is coming down, but the relative strength index, the hype behind the excitement and the strength of the actual project, the strength of the token that we're talking about is going up, but so is the prices coming down, that is a positive divergence for us because excitement's up, price is down, meaning that that will come back up now. And this is also in the RSI zone where it should see a continuation up. Now with the market doing what it did over the last couple of days, who knows what's going on, but maybe that's the reason that we have the price down where we do. All of the freaking coins went crazy, right? Very few of them continued the up move, which is really crazy. But right now, some of them are going down. So they came for a correction, right? Because we've had a lot of success lately with some good growth, but now they're starting to come back down and do a little bit of a correction. So on the 4-hour, if we did want to go from the last low to their most recent high, we can also test this here. Let's get rid of these divergent lines. Although that does show good signs. By the way, this is not financial advice. This is just education, entertainment. But I want to show you on the fib, if we go from this bottom, the most recent low to the most recent high, right there. And you can see that it was going up, continuing up, it finished its up move. And then we'll say that's the last leg of the current up move. Now it needs to breathe, come back down. And what happens here is that the market will correct itself and it comes down. You can see it came down to the 6.2, the 0.62, it came back up, came back to the 0.62 again. And sometimes it will also come all the way down to the 0.79, right? So when you're buying, when you're a trader and you're looking for entry points, a lot of people will use the Fibonacci. They'll go from the recent low to the recent high. And then when it comes back down to the 79, they'll actually buy back in at that point, okay? But with it going to the 62, that is also a great position, because the reality is this: if you would have bought here at the top $1.76 versus now you can buy it down here at $1.21, 31% discount. So obviously, if you're a trader and you want to get a good position for entry, you're not wanting to buy at the top, right? You want to buy at a discount. So when it comes back to this 0.62 level, that is where a lot of traders say, okay, that's a great entry. 0.79, obviously a really, really good entry because you get a huge discount. I mean, if you take a look and we measure from the top to the 6.2 line, you know, that's a 31% discount that you're getting on your purchase for the next move. Or if you go to the 7.9, that's a 40% discount, okay? So just keep that in mind when you are considering your entries, right? Because a lot of times when you start to think about buying, right, a lot of hype is coming. Oh my gosh, it's going crazy. For example, Cardano right now, ADA, it's going nuts. It's a FOMO situation. People are fear of missing out, right? Is it going to go into price discovery mode? Well, smart traders know that it's going to eventually come back. So they patiently wait, it'll make a peak. And then once that starts to make its downtrend off of that peak, they'll wait till it gets to the 50 or the 62. And then that's where they will enter. Instead of entering at $2 on Cardano, they're going to enter at a lesser price. So same thing here, right? So if we take a look, and if we go from the original low, so if we go from the swing low, let's go back to the daily because it's easier. We go to this from the swing low to the swing high. Fib here, swing low there, to the high there. And if we take a look at this. So it took off, boom, it's going on its up move. It went on its price discovery mode and it tipped to the top, $1.95, basically $2. And everyone's freaking out. Oh my gosh, I need to hurry up and buy this. I need to buy this. And then it went way up here into the 85 RSI, which we talk about a lot, right? So it went to the 85 RSI. And when it did that twice, it came back down. Another thing we talk about a lot is the divergence. So if you take a look here, these were 85 and the RSI. So this right here, boom, okay? And then the price kept going up, but the RSI was going down. So that is a signal, hey, wait a minute, this might not be the correct move right here. Something might be coming around the corner. Sure enough, it did, it corrected, it came all the way down to the 62. Now, what's interesting is I just went from this swing low to this swing high earlier, and you notice that it came and it tapped those numbers, this swing low to this swing high. It's just, this is the way numbers work. It's pretty wild, right? This is the way the markets work. That's why the Fibonacci is such a powerful tool, because it goes up, comes and it checks those lines. So if you ever have a coin where you think it's at the top and it's about to come down, what you can do is go from the previous high, go to where it's at on the top there now, and then you can see, okay, well, this is an area I can look for a re-entry. So just wanted to kind of cover that. Watch out for the divergences on the RSI versus the actual price action, and that'll give you a better idea. Because if we look at this, and this was severe divergence, because look at how steep that is versus the actuality of the price. So this is supposed to continue on just like this was, right? Because if you take a look at these other moves, so like this move here, for example, down, move was there, right? And if you look at this move on the RSI, down, it was there, right? And then it started making a different move, and this price was still coming down, but the RSI was on its way back up. And you can see how you can use that for your advantage in the future. So let's go take a look at the Vortex score. All right, so here we have the Vortex score of 50 at the exact moment. And we've got XRP as a $48 billion market cap. We're down 14% in the 24-hour trading volume at $12 billion. And then the tweet volume, 11,000 tweets. So lots of great tweets are coming out as far as support for XRP as normal. And the latest news from Cointelegraph is the article we just read on the price analysis listings. The newest listing actually is not even showing up in here. So it's not even hit Cointelegraph yet as far as that goes. But yeah, so XRP is looking strong. Keep in mind, the markets were just making a correction as a whole. Obviously, everyone wants to blame it on Elon Musk saying some junk about not accepting or Bitcoin because it's too dirty because the mining uses a lot of power and stuff like that. But in reality, I mean, he was making money. He took some profits from his Bitcoin trades. It's probably going to turn it back on, or he'll figure out how to use Tesla solar power to mine Bitcoin all of a sudden. You know what I mean? Like, his brain is crazy, so he'll figure something out. But anyway, XRP Army, just wanted to give you guys an update. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Talk to you later.